This is a guitar tutorial for Panic by the Smiths. Basic chords involved a G, E minor, C, D, A major shape bar chord fret 1, and F chord, which is A minor shape bar chord, in case you're wondering. I'll start with the intro riff, which is based around the G chord, but you're plucking certain strings, so it's technically an archipelago riff. You play the low E string, the D string, the G string, the B string and the G string again. So yeah, you play that once, and then if you look at the G chord, you take your second finger off and move your first finger to the second fret of the low E string, and that becomes F sharp / G, and then you play the same archipelago riff again. So in total it's... Then you play a simple D chord, and then it's a quick change from the A major shape bar chord to an F chord. So I'll play it again. And that's the intro riff essentially. Although the underlying guitar track is the same as the verse, there's loads of multiple layers, but that's a good way if you've only got one guitar of getting them all in. And following that, yeah, then it's straight into the first verse, and it's a G chord, E minor, G chord, to E minor. Also mention that when you change to the G, you can play open string, all strings apart from keeping your first finger on the second fret of the A string as you change, so that yeah, you can if you want to, it makes it sound better. And the next section is just D, and then it's the quick change from the A major shape bar chord to fret 1 to the F. So I'll repeat that again, it's G, E minor, also another thing to mention is when you change from the C to the D, if you like, you can lift off your first finger off the first fret of the B string to make it sound a little bit better. But yeah, that's essentially the verse section. It repeats like so. Panic on the streets of London, panic on the streets of Birmingham, I wonder to myself. Yeah, and it just keeps repeating around like that. That's, yeah, the main verse / chorus. It doesn't really have a chorus throughout the whole song really. There's also an instrumental section, and that's very simple also. It just involves an E minor chord, I believe it's B minor. It's an A minor shape bar chord, second fret moved up a string in terms of pitch, and a D chord. And it goes like this, it's just simple strumming the E minor, D minor chord, D, E minor again, D, and then it's back into E minor. I should also mention later on in the song there's a point where it repeats this section over and over without changing. Well, it does it 3 times, and that's following the line, the lead side streets, you slip down. You repeat the C to the D section, like so. So it goes, on the lead side streets you slip down, through into your towns you jog round, and the DJ, 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 hang the DJ. And just to clarify that, it's C, C slash C, D in the bass, D, C slash C, D in the bass, D. And then yeah, at the end, if you like, you can go like it does in the rest of the song, and that because it's 3 times, and then it follows the same chord pattern as earlier. Just it says hang the DJ over and over instead, like so. Hang the DJ, 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 hang the DJ. Yeah, that's basically all the components of the song, really. I hope this video is helpful to you.